Mintdahlia Toys. Hello everybody and welcome to our new tutorial. My name is Mint. I love you a lot and today we are going to do something super fun. We are going to make a really beautiful miniature dollhouse. This dollhouse comes with everything included. You only need to put every piece together. The house that we are gonna make is this one that we have here. The best part of all is that we are going to use this base, but we are going to transform the colors and a lot of accessories in order to make a miniature dollhouse for unicorn. It's going to be super fun. You don't want to miss these videos. I usually buy these sets online. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description box and also in one of my first comments so that you can buy your own doll houses and make transformations with these houses. If you want me to make a giveaway where I give these houses, if you like the idea, just leave a comment down below and I will try to do it. Well, I just can't wait to start with the tutorial. Follow me and let's enjoy all the fun. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. This is how everything comes, really well packed. Let's just take everything out because we are gonna use everything. Hello guys, I'm back. These are the things that comes with the set. First, we have the bases for the dollhouse. They are made from wood and they are really strong. We have these here. These are the templates of different things for the dollhouse. Could be accessories and things like that. That way you know the perfect size that you need to cut everything. We have wallpaper, we have floor. We also have accessories like paintings for the wall. This also comes with instructions. Super important in order to know how everything goes. Oh my god, we have so much work to do. And last, here in this bag, we have all the accessories that you are gonna need for the dollhouse and all the pieces that you need to put together in order to have a nightstand, a bed, 2 sofas, and everything else. Well, now it's time to start with the tutorial and see how everything goes. We are going to transform a couple of details in order to make a really beautiful unicorn dollhouse. Let's go! The instructions are not in English, they are in another language, but you just need to follow the codes. Every piece has a number and also the pictures. I'm going to start with the outside of the dollhouse. The first thing that we need is C11, which is this black part that we have here. And here I have it. And we also need this white piece. It's like a window. I have the piece right here. Then we go to the template and we just need to cut the piece, the black piece that we have, this size that we have here. When we cut the piece, we just need to glue them together and set aside. Let's work on the floor. This is the template that comes with the set. We are going to replace this color with something more unicorn-like because we are doing the unicorn dollhouse. Let's cut it so we have the perfect size. And now it's time to change this piece into this piece. I really love this pink wood that we have here. This is going to be the new floor. We just need to apply some glue and glue it to the floor. The second piece is the one that is going to be the kitchen. It has one window. And we are also going to change or replace the color or template that comes with the set with a new one. Let's cut the template and replace this template with the new color. Let's cut it. We just need to apply some glue and glue the new color to the wall. When it is dry, we just need to add the window and set aside. Now we are gonna work on the last piece, which is the first floor. We have our label or template here. We are gonna keep the blue part and we are gonna change everything else. We are gonna use the same wood color that we use for the living room. We are going to cut this shape and don't forget to keep the blue part for the bathroom. We glue the piece to the floor and we add the blue part to the bathroom. Now we are gonna work on the last wall. This is the second wall for the kitchen. We just need to do the same thing. We are gonna change the colors into two colors. So we are gonna cut the squares and that is going to be one color and the other side of the wall is going to be another color. The longer side is going to be this blue color and the short side, the one with the squares, is going to be this really beautiful and sparkly glitter pink. When we have everything cut, we just need to glue the pieces to the wall like this. We already have all the pieces that we need. We are going to start assembling the first floor. First is going to be the base, the floor. Let's add the kitchen. Let's add the side door. We are gonna start with some accessories like the sofa. This is the bottom piece. This is going to be on top. You add this to one side and then the second piece to the other side. And these two are going to be the cushions. The only thing we need to do is to cover each piece with fabric. And this fabric comes with the set. You should end up with something like this. We just need to add some glue and start forming the sofa like this. I didn't like how my first sofa was looking, so I made it again with more time and this is how it looks. I really like it. You can see the glue and overall looks so much better. Now let's make the coffee table. This is the top part of the table. Here we have 4 pieces. These are going to be the legs. Because this is a unicorn house, I'm going to cover the coffee table with some glitter, with paper glitter. And last, we just need to glue each leg to the table. That's all. You do it like this. Now we are just going to make, or actually to finish, the stairs. This piece comes already assembled. We just need to add each step and we do it like this, really easy. This piece comes with the set already assembled. We just need to add this little TV that we have here to the middle. We are going to assemble another table for the kitchen and also the chairs. And for the chairs, we do the exactly same thing, just smaller. And we glue the top part to the chair as well. We set aside and let it dry completely. Now we have these 5 pieces. These pieces are going to form the bed. We take the biggest piece, we add the two side piece side by side. We add the small piece to the front and let it dry so we can flip it and add the bed headboard. When the bed is completely dry and set, take any fabric that you like, any color, and place this piece really tight. We take a second fabric, different color, if possible, and last we do the same thing to the last piece, and we glue it like this. We just need to cut the excess, and that's it. A really beautiful bed. Now we are gonna make the side table. We have these 5 pieces here. We place the vase at the bottom, and we place the 2 side pieces side by side. Don't forget to add the drawer. And we just add the handle here. Now with this 7 piece, we are going to assemble the toilet. We take this L-shaped piece and we add this long piece to this part. We let it dry and we add this piece to the center. We add the smallest piece on top. We take another small piece and put it on front, and we just need to add the seat. Now we are going to form the sink. This is what we have so far. Time to start with the kitchen. Now we have this mirror type of piece. We place the oven in this piece and we just cut the same size. Now is really fun because we are going to start assembling the first floor. First, we are going to add the kitchen. Oh, it looks so cute. We are gonna add the stove. And let's add all the accessories a really beautiful kitchen needs. Let's glue the stairs to the second floor. Let's add this half wall that we have here. Let's add our sofas. Now it's time to glue the second floor. Now it's time to start forming the bathroom. We add a window. We add a second piece. This is a window as well. Now we add this piece, is a white wall. Let's add the shower. The shower is really easy. You just need wire and a bit like this one. We add the toilet. We add glass here and a second piece here. We add a really beautiful flower, the nightstand. we add this beautiful bed. I really love the colors. Oh my god, I forgot to add the sink, so let's add it right now. We add pillows to the sofa. More pillows. We add the coffee table. We need more pillows for the bed. And now I just decided to add confetti to the purple wall. And well guys, this is the final result. I really love all the colors that we use for this transformation. I love the dollhouse. I love the set. I love all the accessories that come with the set. It goes really well with the beautiful unicorn LOL doll. I love the color of the floor. I love the confetti on the wall. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this transformation. Do you like it? And what other transformations you want me to do? And well, if you want to buy this set, don't forget that I'm leaving the links in the description box and also in one of my pinned comments. It is worth a try, especially if you want to transform something in one of your favorite characters, maybe Disney princess or descendants or LOL dolls. If you're not part of the Mint family, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and be part of this beautiful Mint family. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas for future videos. I love reading your comments. Don't ever forget that you are awesome. I love you a lot. Mint out. Bye bye. I will see you tomorrow.
Oh.